Hey, what's up people? Welcome back to another video. So in this short video, I'll show you how to create .htaccess file on your WordPress website. As you might already know, .htaccess file is very important for your website. It helps you to redirect, change how your website behaves. So without further ado, let's get into it. So to create a htaccess file, you need to first have a web hosting and a cPanel. So right now you can see on my screen, I'm on my cPanel. I'll open my file manager for the website, and you can see I already have .htaccess inside the root directory of my website. So to create one, it's very easy. Open your notepad, and because we are creating a empty .htaccess file, you just have to save this. You can use any text editor of your choice, that's not an issue. Click on Save As, and here you have to name the file .htaccess and change the file type as all files and save it on the desktop. Now our htaccess file is ready. Now it's time to upload this htaccess file to the root directory of our website. So to upload, make sure you're on the home page and click on upload and select the file from the desktop. Here it is. Click on open, and this will upload the htaccess file on your website. So let's just wait until it is successful. I believe this is uploaded. I'll go back, and here you can see our htaccess file is ready. Please make sure that you spell the htaccess correctly, otherwise it will not work. Okay, this was just for the demonstration. You can have multiple htaccess file if you want to. For more cPanel videos, don't forget to check my dedicated playlist for cPanel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.